Have you ever noticed how some people command the entire room the moment they walk in? Without saying a single word, they radiate confidence and authority. This is called presence. Presence isn't a gift you're born with. It's a skill that can be mastered. Today, we are diving into dark psychology and perception control. We will explore the methods you can use to craft a specific image in the minds of others without uttering a word. This video will teach you how to use your body, your voice, and your demeanor to impress and influence everyone around you. 2. Body language. The unspoken language. Body language is your primary and most powerful tool. Research suggests that over 90% of our communication is nonverbal. Posture and gestures. Always maintain an open posture. Standing with your arms folded is a sign of defensiveness and insecurity. Stand tall, keep your shoulders slightly back, and imagine an invisible thread pulling the top of your head toward the sky. When you speak, use your hands, but keep your gestures above the waistline. This signals honesty and transparency. Facial expressions. Your face is like an open book. A slight smirk or a subtle smile suggests mystery and confidence. However, smiling constantly can make you appear weak or people-pleasing. Control your expressions to match the context. Eye contact. Eye contact is a potent psychological weapon. If someone constantly avoids your gaze, they appear nervous or dishonest. Follow the 70-30 rule. Maintain eye contact 70% of the time while listening and 60% while speaking. Remember, the goal is a soft but steady gaze, not a stare down. A physical presence and grooming. Beyond how you move and speak, your physical appearance is the first data point people process. In dark psychology, this is known as the halo effect, where one positive trait, like looking sharp, makes people assume you are also intelligent and powerful. The power of apparel. You don't need expensive clothes, but you need a uniform of authority. Wear clothes that fit perfectly. Darker colors like black, charcoal, and navy blue radiate power and mystery. Ensure your attire is clean and pressed. Wrinkles suggest a cluttered mind, while a sharp silhouette suggests discipline. Grooming and scent. Your grooming is a reflection of your self-respect. A well-maintained hairstyle and a clean or perfectly trimmed beard signal that you are in control of your life. Furthermore, never underestimate the power of a signature scent. A subtle, sophisticated fragrance creates a sensory anchor. Long after you leave the room, the memory of your presence remains through the scent you left behind. Occupying space. Confident people are not afraid to take up space. When you sit, don't huddle or make yourself small. Spread out slightly. Rest your arms on the armrests. By physically claiming your environment, you subconsciously signal to others that you are the apex in the room. You aren't just visiting the space. Oh, you own it. The art of the controlled exit. Finally, how you leave a conversation is just as important as how you enter it. Never rush away. When finishing a transition, maintain eye contact for 1 extra second after you stop speaking. Give a slight, slow nod, and walk away with a steady pace. Leaving people wanting more is the ultimate tool of influence. Remember, presence isn't about being the loudest person in the room. It's about being the one whose absence is felt the most.